Welcome to Marwa's Fun TV! It's me again, Marwa. For today's video, it's going to be a real surprise because I'm already here in the kitchen. Oh, okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Ta-da! Wow! My mama got this in online. It's actually a blender. Oh my! It's even colored purple. It's
What
so
is
cute.
it?
Oh, it's a portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. That's what it says right here. And it also needs, before you use it, before my mama used this, she charged it for 3 hours. That's kind of very long. Okay, so I'm going to make a smoothie out of this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what color's inside there. The box is a bit crooked. Pink! My favorite color! I thought purple or green, but wow, it's so beautiful. My mama already recharged it for 3 hours. Okay, I already opened it. It's nice in color pink. I'm going to open it now.
Let's see here.
Oh, let's see first. Oh, what's this? Oh, right. You have to press double. It says,
Don't press it.
yeah, it says double click to start. So you have to double click. And see over here, this is where you're going to charge the blender. And when I opened it, I just found
You
this.
opened it. Oh, this is for
What's that for? I have no
maybe
idea.
filter.
Filter?
Yeah. Open it.
Okay, I'll just put this over there. Wow, this is so... Oh, whoa. Oh, look at that. It's so short. That's so sharp. Sharp. Oh, it's a portable electric juice cup. 100% authentic. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay. I washed this already. Now I'm going to wipe it. Okay. It's a lot of tissue. To the inside too. So my smoothie won't be so liquidy. And guys, I'm sorry for this voice. I'm just sick right now, but I just want to make videos for you guys. Okay, this one is dry. This one now, oh my god, the table is wet now. Should have put tissue. It's over there.
It's okay. The important is this one.
Oh yeah, that's the most important. Oh my god, the tissue might break. It's so sharp. It's
Be
wet.
careful.
Oh, it's sharp. Guys, what if I press this accidentally? Clean that a little bit. Okay. I'll just do this too. What's this? Handle? I should have left some little tissue. Just in case. Oh my god, this kitchen is so hot. I'll try it. Okay. Is it this way or the other way? Oh, guys, I have to be careful.
It's like this. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Guys, whenever I touch, it breaks, so I'm scared.
Excuse me. Okay.
So clumsy.
Hold it.
Okay.
So it tight.
Okay, I'm going to use mango smoothie, my favorite fruit. See that? It's so yummy. Mama chopped this already into pieces, so I can put it over there. And this one,
Little cream.
guys, a little bit cream to put there in the smoothie. Now, of course, a little bit sugar. Okay, oh, do I start? I don't know what to
it's
do.
okay.
Oh. Okay. Do I put that in or?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, what do I do? I'm so guys, sorry, I'm so nervous right now. I'm clumsy, so this might fall. Okay, I have to put a little bit of. ito, Mama. Oh. Is that enough? Or a little bit more? Oh, this one's not even cut. It's fine. You can eat it later. Because it's so good.
Okay.
I'm gonna put 1 scoop of sugar. That's good?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, put the cream.
Okay, oh, it's really sticky in there.
You just put it there, it's okay.
Here, okay.
Yeah.
Tell me what's enough because I don't know. It looks actually good.
Not enough.
Enough? Okay. I'm gonna blend it, you guys. I'm gonna blend it. I'm scared. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Okay, this way it's looks full. Okay, gotta close it very, very.
You press it 2 times. Press it 2 times.
Ah. That's how it works.
More.
What's wrong with this? Oh, it's turning a bit yellowish.
Yeah, amazing. Oh, it's so cute. It's blended.
I made my own first. Oh,
It's so cute. Oh, yeah, it really works.
Oh, it looks so cool. I have to blend it a little bit
It
more.
really works. Oh, so cute.
I think I'm gonna drink it in here.
You have to press it again and again.
What's that?
No, it's done now.
Is it done?
Yeah,
I'm scared.
okay. Moment of truth.
Do I have to like put it in a cup?
I'm so happy.
Do we have to put it in a cup or
No, you can drink it from here. Wait,
here?
wait.
I'm going to flip now. This is the moment of truth. Okay, I have to put all of those. All. It looks like slime. Okay, do I open it? I'm scared.
Okay,
Do I
open
open
it. Open it.
Oh, why is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Do I like eat it?
Drink it.
And drink it?
Okay,
What
try.
in the-
Okay, you can try.
Oh my god, it is so good.
See here. Give it a thumbs up. Yummy?
It's leaking, but it's fine. It's so good.
You don't have tissue here. Your mouth. It's yummy? Really?
It's good.
It's pure? Ah, it's blended already? There's still a little.
Yeah, a little bit. Look at my
It's
mouth.
smooth? Smooth?
A little.
There's
It's
still
so
mango?
good. Yeah, a little bit, like small stuff like that.
Oh,
Oh, it tastes so good. My mouth.
really? I want to
It's
taste it.
so good. Okay, I'm gonna stay taste it. I am the yummy girl.
Oh my.
With the messy mouth.
This is so yummy.
You're about to little.
Oh my.
Wow. I'll drink more.
We use this instead of milk. Light cream. Your mouth. So how's your experience? It's good, right?
I know, right? Oh, what happened to my mouth?
It's very nice, right?
What happened to my mouth?
We'll try for another
Another
fruit.
Another smoothie, maybe avocado.
It's a nice try.
Guys, just wait here. I'm gonna go get tissue. I don't want to look messy like this in my video.
Scoop it. It's creamy. You transferred it in your glass. Okay. Drink now.
There's no more.
There's still
Oh, there's
more.
still more?
It's yummy.
It looks kind of greenish now.
For a review, it's okay, yeah. So, can you say about this?
I can say that this is a good blender.
Yeah, portable.
Yeah, it's
You can use it
portable.
outside, right?
Yeah, we can even use it outside.
You just recharge it.
Only if we recharge it and if we go outside, we have somewhere to charge it.
You charge it at home and you can.
Yeah, I can charge it at home. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna bring this with my mom's work. I'm going to ask my mama to make more of these and get more fruits so I can make it baon for my school.
Yeah, good idea.
That's a good idea, actually. I might use this, or my mama will just put it in a water bottle.
So, how is it? How is it?
It's so
Your
yummy.
coffee.
Yeah, I'm coughing because
So
I'm
yummy.
sick. So good. Look at that. It's like so nice, and it's even said number HM-O3. What does that mean? There are a lot of fruits here.
Yeah, you
That
can
means you
try.
can make more smoothies with this. I'm not sure, maybe a grape smoothie?
You just press it twice so it will work.
I'm not sure if I can press it twice because when I use this, I press it like 1,000 times.
Yeah, it's so cute.
I even put a spoon in there.
Yeah, it blended okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can say bye now.
Mashita. Okay, guys. I hope you like my video. Of making a smoothie here in the kitchen. Guys, if you want more like smoothie, for me to make smoothies for you guys, you can just comment down below. Okay. Bye guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel in Marwa's Fun TV. Goodbye everyone. I love you guys. Mwah. Have a smoothie-tastic day. Bye. Mwah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.